Hi, I am Trifonas Papadopoulos. This is gonna be a tutorial about how to compare images between two folders and copy matching images to a third folder. What this code does. This Python script is a GUI-based tool for comparing images between two folders using perpetual hashing pHash. It identifies visually similar images, allowing the user to copy matching images to a third folder. Below is a breakdown of the main components. Here's the user interface. Okay, the images are resized to a standard size, 256 by 256 pixels, to normalize them for comparison. Perpetual hashes, pHash, are computed for both images, and the Hamming distance between the hashes is compared. If the distance is below a specified threshold, the images are considered visually similar. Here are all the steps if you want to read this article, but we're gonna go straight forward to the code, which is shown here in case you want to use it, and you're gonna see how it works. So the name of the file is compare images GUI.py, and here we choose the first folder, which is this one, the second folder, which is this one, and the output folder, which is it's gonna be inside compare images select folder. So right now what's gonna happen is, if we press copy matching images from folder 1 to folder 3, images found in folder 1 and folder 2 will be compared, and if there is a match or more than one matches, then all the images from folder 1 are gonna be copied to folder 3. So now if we go to folder 3, you see that there are 4 images. If we want to check if this is correct, we can go to compare images to folder 1, and you see that there are more images, but only these 4 ones are also found in folder 2. So let's see also folder 2. So the common ones are compared, and if matched, then we can find them here. So in case we want to do the opposite, and I will explain you what's the opposite. The opposite is, I want to compare these two folders and copy images from folder 2 to folder 3. So we click on this. All the previous images found, all the images found in folder 3 are deleted, and then are again copied from folder 2 to folder 3. And there we are. But now the names, the file names, are the ones found in folder 2. You see? Okay. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this tutorial informative, and if you do, please subscribe.